Ron Scott here. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add this chemical to the pool, which will help prevent algae growth. This should be done every couple of weeks. Turn on the pump by moving the switch to the up position. Do this even if the pump is already running. Open the gray bin just outside the sliding glass door to the pool. Remove the jug of Perfect Weekly, which is located in the front left corner of the bin. Remove the skimmer cover. Shake the jug vigorously. Remove the large cap and unscrew the smaller cap. Pour 2 large capfuls into the skimmer. Replace the skimmer cover and let the pump run for about 5 minutes. Set the pool pump to timer mode by moving the switch to the down position. The pump switch must be left in the down position once you are done, otherwise the pump will remain on all the time and cost me money. The pump may or may not continue to run once the switch is in the down position, depending on where the timer is in its cycle.